This is the Yamaha A-1060, beautiful amplifier made by Yamaha in the 80s. I'm going to remove the cover because this amplifier is very well built. It has a Cooper chassis and I'm going to remove it so we can check it, okay? So I removed the cover of the Yamaha so I can show you how well it's built and the great Cooper chassis and the looks it has. It's a beautiful amplifier. I'm going to turn it on so we can check it out. Very beautiful and very powerful amplifier. Great sound. This amplifier has some unique features that you can show you here. You can change the impedance of the cartridge, okay? 47K, 100K, 33K or 100. Loudness switch, flat, direct from the amplifier, power AB speakers, bass, frequency of the bass, frequency of the treble, subsonic filter for high and low, mono stereo. It supports MEM cartridge and MC cartridge in connections 1 and MEM in connections 2. Power, mute, direct disc, it goes direct to phono and it's beautiful. I'm going to change so you can see or hear the difference, okay?